Hello, today I'm going to walk you through in Canva how to edit your social media posts for Instagram, and we're going to deep dive into the different things you can do. Okay, this is Rupi. Welcome to my channel. If you like this type of content, then please make sure that you give me a like and a subscribe, and obviously put your notifications on so that you'll be notified when I come on next. Okay, so here we are in Canva. And this is the social media post for Instagram that you may have purchased from the Etsy store that I have. So we'll go to this one here. So this is for products, to present your products. So I'm just going to duplicate it. And if you just go here, you can duplicate the page because I don't want to lose what I've got. That's the easiest way to do things. Now, if you wanted to change the background, oops, we'll just go back there. Undo. 1 second. I think I've lost it. So we duplicate the page. There we go. We'll work on page 3. Now, if we wanted to change the background color here, we can just go here and we can choose something that we like. So I don't know, maybe we can do a blue. So you can change the color. Then if we wanted to change here what's written here, you can just type it in, change it, or you could actually find some text that you like. So these ones are free, and it's best to actually use the free ones. Now, if you see anything with a little crown like this, you need to be a subscriber, but you do not need it to edit, okay? You use the free only. So use the free text to change what you want to put in here. Now, supposing that you wanted to change this here to your product, I'm just going to use an example. So you can go to uploads and you can upload your own pictures or videos, depending what you have. But you can also use the free videos in Canva. So let's just pick, I know this is quite a nice one. Let's pick that one. And that's free. If you see anything with the crown like this where it says Pro, then you can't use that one. All right. So we're just going to pop that in there. There we go. And that is sitting quite nicely in there. So we've got a nice little video. And of course, if you wanted to add sound, you can. But you don't have to. So, you can go down to audio. There's audios here that you can actually use to add to your scenery. You can just pick and choose something when you can search, obviously. I think my internet's being a bit slow. But, yeah, so, you could use, I don't know, let's use this one. It's quite nice. Oh, that's a pro one, so we can't use that one, but you can just use any one that's free. So none of the pro ones, just use the free ones. But you could, add something like that. So I'll just undo that one. Okay. So, and here you can just change, this is just, general writing, but you can just put in, you just need to tap on it and you can just, write whatever, delete it and write whatever you want. So whether you have a product launch or something, a little bit of information there. And of course, here you can just add in your website. Now, with the website, if you wanted to add a link, you can just right click and you can add a link here. So if you add the link to your website, when people go and click on it, they'll be able to go straight to your website via that link. So that's a useful little option to know as well. Anyway, I think that basically covers it, and you can, edit each one of them to whatever it is you're doing. But make sure that you don't use anything with crowns. Make sure that you use things that are free. There's plenty of free photos here. So just pick and choose and add it in. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. And if you like this type of content, please give me a like and subscribe, and put your notifications on so that you get to see my next videos. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye for now.